Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make raspberry and rhubarb jam. Let's get started. Heat up the saucepan at medium heat, then add some raspberries. Same amount of trimmed rhubarb. Add some water. Bring to boil, then lower the heat. Keep simmering for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add some sugar. Keep stirring until all the sugar dissolves. Then bring to boil, simmer for another 15 minutes. Remove the foamy bits with a spoon or stir in a little unsalted butter. Then remove from the heat, let it cool down and pot. This is the price list of all my ingredients, so this raspberry and rhubarb jam cost me $8. I'm going to enjoy this jam with my raisin bread. Thanks for watching my video.